Here we go. Here is our food grade reservoir starting to fill. I drilled a 7/16 inch hole right here, screwed it all in, put a little bit of Teflon tape on here, screwed this in, pushed that in. Our RO system hooked up to a Y. The white line is the inlet. It's a piece of cake to hook this up. The black line is the drain coming off of here, our RO system. We've got the blue line which runs to the shutoff valve. The black line, which is the wastewater, I've got it right into where the washing machine comes out. It's right here. And the supply line is the white line coming in right over here. Here's the white line coming in. Okay. White line coming in right to here from right back over there. Tuck our RO underneath the sink in the laundry room, and there we have fresh water getting ready to water the plants. I tried utilizing just a garbage can for this. You want something food grade. The garbage can will make the water taste funny. If the water doesn't taste good to you, don't use it for your plants. It won't taste good to them either. So use a food grade barrel.